Microsoft and Shopify have partnered to create a first-level integration between Business Central ERP and Shopify. To illustrate, we have created a sample Shopify store called Adroit Food Co. and have set up the integration with our Business Central ERP demonstration system. The integration is simple to set up, and there are no additional costs associated with it. Business Central provides a configurable integration via a dedicated configuration screen called the Shopify Shop Card. There are no complex API calls to develop or middleware to deploy. To map Business Central to Shopify, we simply put in the URL of the store, enter the security credentials when prompted, and enable it. There are a couple of switches that indicate whether synchronizations are controlled manually or automatically, and whether we want Business Central to feed data to Shopify. For our example, we are setting it so we can add items and images and have them automatically flow to Shopify. The integration provides the flexibility to determine whether the items that appear in the Shopify storefront are manually added into Shopify, or if we want to be able to add items in Business Central and have them flow to Shopify. Conversely, if we want item updates to refresh the Business Central item card, we can allow that as well. Business Central allows us to attach images to the item card. We can have those images flow to Shopify for display on the Shopify store. Inventory tracking enables the available inventory to sell to automatically update the available to promise on the Shopify store. Price synchronization gives us the flexibility to set pricing from Business Central in Shopify via a specific price group. This enables Shopify-specific pricing separate from other customer groups in Business Central. Pricing can also be maintained independently in Shopify. The integration provides the option to synchronize customers. This typically makes more sense for a business-to-business store where there are a limited number of customers. When there are a large number of customers, we typically don't synchronize the customers and instead associate the orders with a generic Shopify customer. The customer ship-to information flows on the order to the shipment so we can fulfill the orders without having an exploding customer master. If we do decide to synchronize the customers, we can decide what is the unique customer identifier. The integration can be set so that orders captured in Shopify automatically flow to Business Central and can automatically create a shipment. Account mapping enables us to map the shipping charges to a shipping account and to properly account for gift cards. The gift card accounting is a nice feature in that it allows deferred liability to be automatically created. If you're using the integration for the POS, you can also capture tips. The integration provides support for returns and refunds within Shopify. The process type indicates whether to establish a credit memo. A return location can be specified to indicate which Business Central location will process the return, and the accounting is properly mapped to the general ledger. The Synchronization tab gives us the control to manually trigger synchronization of products, orders, shipments, product images, prices, inventory, customers, and payouts. These can be set to sync automatically or manually.